So this is how this video is going to turn out. I forgot to completely say anything in the entire video, explaining anything, but basically in this video we're replacing the drive shaft, guibo, and trans mounts. So after I loaded up the car completely, we made it on over to where Kyle works, and he helped me out, put the car on the lift, and then this is where we're at. So I'm going to show you guys the process. Good technique.
Just goop that bitch up. Nice and good.
Oh, fuck.
Go, babe. There we go. There we go.
Hey. So now after taking out everything, drive shaft, guibo, trans mounts, replacing everything, we figured out that I went on a little drive just around near his warehouse, and I found that the sound was still there, it was still making that clunking noise, and then we put it back on the lift.
Damn. That's pretty solid. It's so hard to get a fucking rubber on this.
Yeah, those are not new.
No, I mean, these are pretty fucking... Bro, that spring is compressed as fuck in there. How did you get that shit in there?
Is that one too?
Not as much. This one more.
How'd I get what, the spring?
Yeah, how did you get the spring in there?
And then on the lift, nothing looked like too crazy. Maybe just a couple more worn out bushings, but besides that, I think I'm just gonna try to order a kit like Kyle told me. Order a kit with all the bushings for the rear end and then try to do that. If not, I don't know, I might take it to like somebody that has had a bunch of E36s and they maybe could tell me. It doesn't have reinforced plates in the subframe, and I'm really hoping that it's not anything to do with like the chassis, but I don't think it is. I think that it's maybe bushings or maybe the fact that it just has a welded diff, you know. I heard that they just make noise like that, but whatever. While we were there was a couple people there with some cool cars. Like Kyle's got a cool car, and then Bryson 240, so I filmed a little bit of that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Still, again, huge shout out to you, Kyle. Appreciate the help. Appreciate, you know, squeezing me in, even though when you had like work and shit. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like. Let me know if you enjoyed this style of video. I really just had to do it because I forgot to say anything, introduce the video or anything, because it was just getting so hectic trying to work on the car. But I don't know if people want more like vlog style. If you guys like the cinematic, let me know, because your input really helps on the way, you know, that I form the channel and build everything. I still am gonna kind of do the way that I want to do it, but you know, I do want to give you guys what you want to watch. So yeah, just let me know you enjoyed this style. You want to see me like, you know, more vlogs, just no music, just talking. And if you guys enjoyed that, don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to comment something. Let me know what you thought about the video. And if you want to join, stick around. Hit that subscribe button. Really helps out. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah, and merch dropping real soon. Stickers, hats, shirts, hoodies. They're all coming real soon, so don't forget to follow the IG. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah, I'm sorry about your chair, bro. I just got to end the video.